Good morning. Morning. This is the new shoe that we bought. Let's try it. So comfortable. Super comfortable, guys. Grabe. Good morning, everybody. I am wearing a sauna suit and I am going to climb up the hill today. This morning, 6 o'clock in the morning. Let's go. Morning. We are going into the jungle again. Good morning. Oh my goodness. Today is our, 16th day? Nawala na ako. Hindi na nag-track. What I'm tracking is my body na ngayon. So, let's go everybody. Come on, get up. I know it's never easy. Nothing's easy. But, if you get the result, oh, that feels so good. Really good. Walang papantay. Walang kahit anong pagkain. Kahit gaano kasabi pagkain, hindi papantay sa result na binibigay sa iyo ng pagdidieta at pag-exercise. I mean, we can eat soon, but not now. Let's burn all the fats first. Let's go. Morning. This is the place I have to go through. When I come here, it's just really a super huge jungle. Just have to be very careful. The shoes is really good, you know. It's time to get up there. Up. Whew. Hydrate. After a long walk, good morning again. How nice, right? It's so nice. Go back home. Good morning, guys. So this is me. Ayun, nasuot ko na siya ulit. Ito yung hindi ko nasusuot kasi lagi akong tumatakbo before, matagal na. So about 10 years ago. So ngayon ay nasusuot ko na din siya ulit. Pero nasusuot ko naman to before ako mga nap, but now ay balik na siya, guys. Look at that. This is our breakfast, the cereal. I love this one so much. The Rice Krispie. So, sarap. Parang merong Milo sa loob. Morning, guys. Ayan. Nakapag-exercise na ako today. I'm so happy. After nito, magkape-kape na tayo. Guys, tapos ako magluto for my son's breakfast. Ito yung breakfast niya, fried rice. May konting bacon at saka itlog lang. Nilagyan ng konting asin. Para may lasa naman. And he's now playing. Kami lang munang dalawa dito ngayon. Kasi yung daddy niya ay may meeting. Na din bukas na ang uwi ni Kate dito kasi may nag-holiday siya. Hi, son. Say hi. Hi. Hi, see to my camera.
Hi, Kaya.
Hi, everyone.
Hi, everyone.
Please subscribe.
Subscribe.
We are only allowed to drink black coffee. No sugar. Okay, ay mag the double shot espresso tayo. Let's drink coffee, everyone. It's actually very good to learn how to drink coffee. Actually, hindi ako talaga umiinom ng coffee. I only learned how to drink coffee here in Malaysia. And I think that was 2007, 8, maybe about 2009. And then from that time on, I really love my coffee already. Cannot live without it. But ano lang naman, nasa disiplina, once or twice ako nag-inom ng coffee. And it's very good also. It's really, really good compared sa ibang yung iba talaga hindi pwedeng, hindi makapagsigarilyo. I don't like smoking. I never smoke. And I will not recommend. Please, it's not good. Really, really not good. So, better drink coffee. Cheers, bye!
Why Dell and them want to start earlier Wednesday? I know why. Because she said.
Go, go, go! Guys, so we are on our 16th or 15th days. Ewan ko kung 15 ba or nawala na ako. So ito yung result. Guys, pang 16th day pala namin ngayon, nawala na kami. Hindi na namin alam kung pang ilan na ngayon. Basta importante lang ay talagang lagi kaming nag-exercise at ginawa pa rin yung kailangan namin kainin. So, almost na matapos at we can't wait na pwede na kaming kumain ulit ng solid. Chicken feet, 5 kilograms. Tingnan mo na. Liit na, wala nang tiyan. Woo!